Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Monday 28th of November with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antic Markets. Looking at cable now, and sterling is the underperformer today. I say underperformer because it's now actually lower against the dollar. It's fallen away. It's pretty much the only forex major that is now lower against the dollar, and that's sort of come after a bit of settling of this market in the last few days. Indicators on the technicals relatively sort of benign, really, around 50 on the RSI. Stochastics settled, MACD line settled. So I think it's sort of now trying to pick the next direction. Could be into a bit of a range near term, because it's just, as I said in the last few minutes, just sharply dropped away. But that dropping away comes as we sort of back into all this congestion from the last few days, really. You looked as though that the bulls were gaining a bit of ascendancy, then, to be honest, that initial move higher overnight just completely hit the buffers and turned lower from 25.30. But to be honest, the resistance pretty much 25.15, and again that was coming in as the if I sort of zoom in here, you can see it a bit better. As the European traders have come in, 25.15 is still basically what we're looking at as the near-term resistance, really, isn't it? You'd be sort of looking at 24 figure area being that reaction low from Thursday, 23.57. 23.30 is still sort of a basis of support as well from the old neckline. So I've gone too far, there you go. From the old neckline of that base pattern back in October. So 23.30, I mean, these are all sort of supports that are relatively sort of relatively strong, but nothing really major. I think 23, if you sort of break below 23.30 and then close below 23 figure, I think yes, you really are sort of beginning to break down. But for now, I think it's more of a choppy range, really. Technical indicators don't really suggest anything other. Like hourly RSI rallying from 30, turning lower from 70. So it's all pretty much technical range bound, I'd say, at the moment. And it'll be interesting to see if cable can just start to form a bit of support again around that sort of 23, sort of 24 figure, 24.20. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.